Hi, welcome to Physics Teacher, the channel that prepares you for the Waterloo Math and Science contests. This is a grade 11 Math Hypatia contest question, and each question uses this chart here to either determine the total cost per person, if that cost is equally shared among everyone in the group, or to figure out the unknown cost for the van. Give them a try, and I'll be right back with the solutions. Alright, so part A says if 4 people rent a car, what is the cost per person? Alright, so for a car it's going to cost $180. And since each member of the group is going to equally share the cost, we can simply take $180 and divide by 4 people. And when you do that, you'll get $45 per person. Alright, so far fairly easy. Let's move on to part B. Part B says, if a group rents an SUV, what is the maximum possible cost per person? Well, since the cost is shared equally among the passengers, if we have a smaller number of passengers, each passenger would have to cover more of the cost. So to determine the maximum possible cost per person, we're going to have to look at it from the point of view of having the minimum number of passengers, which is 5. So we'll take the cost, which is $200, and we'll divide that by 5 passengers, which gives us $40. Alright, lastly, part C. When the van is rented, the difference between the maximum cost per person and the minimum cost per person is $6. What's the cost of the van? Alright, so let's say the cost of the van, let's call that X. Now, the maximum cost per person is when we have 9 people. So that'll be the cost divided by 9 people. The minimum cost would be when we have 12 people. So that's the cost over 12 people. And the difference between them, so subtracting them, is $6. So we need to solve this equation for X. Well, let's look at a common denominator, and that's going to be 36. Alright, so if we multiply this fraction, top and bottom, by 4, we'll get 4x over 36. And this one, top and bottom, by 3, we get 3x over 36. And that's $6. So 4x minus 3x is just x. And multiplying both sides by 36, we get 6 times 36, which is $216. So the cost to rent a van is $216.